In this video, we are going to see how to scrap the videos of YouTube, how to scrap the shorts of YouTube without any API and without any third-party integration. So I am using a socket, sorry, I am using Cheerio package for scrapping that. Yeah, and I am giving you YouTube. Okay, okay, yeah. Yeah, I have written the route name HTTP code. Okay, and so here I have to write topic and DG. Okay, so I am writing, yeah. So here is lots of shorts about Modi, right? And response is there are too much shorts and if we play, uh, if we play this short, YouTube and put that short on it. Yeah. Okay. See.
सर हमारे जो लोकल गरबा गीत है
So here our shorts. We just um, scrap these key and we have to put uh, as a suffix of youtube.com. It will run. Here we have a 8,000 link of shorts. Like directly we can use it with our APK and with our website if we are going to show anything on that, anything else. Okay. Yeah, remember one thing. Uh, this is showing in someone's personal data or someone personal channel data which can contain copyright. So you have to aware of that. Okay, and here is a code if you want to see, if you want to the code. So just comment out. I will make a video of how to scrap completely because it's a kind of complex, find a particular class and it's takes around 4 to 5 hours to find that thing how we can scrap that because normally scrapping we are using from class and convert into a JSON object and that thing it's not work. I scrap the whole data as a string thing and put a function on the string. That's how it's completely changing into a array. Then I am uh, converting into a particular these keys. Okay, so if you want these particular food tutorial because it will be a long video how the Cheerio will work and how we are gonna be a the exact class we want to scrap, so it will be a long tutorial. So if you want to get this video without any kind of API key and it's free, you can scrap anything from the YouTube. So just comment out. Okay.